KSA Bukulia District Committee sa Hemalong KSA atumpen dokmuka Thonabi College along Akimi Union Body atumapan Karcho. EM Lun Sing Teron pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM la pen Team Karbi Anglong Arsong Japo la pen Asong Japi atumapan Kachurolam Thike Pajir. Amri MSC constituency ki Parlang Kang Langchurik Kang Tualong Kijoy Kilang Sai Kampen Kaching Tur Amo Dengpon Asonte Messenger. Kardom Karbi Prime Tamalong Penny Livid Lebron Tropi Non Beer Tang Pen Archwita KSA Bukulia District Committee Asa Hemalong Pai Kunini Pai Inkora Ketomani KSA Bukulia District Committee Pen Patir Pi Ponsi Suri Hinira Krenar Kepla Pen Kresir Kepa Bahar Dokmuka Thongnog Be College along Akimi Union Body Atumapan Kangtum Karnil Pen Karcho Saikideng. Bir Singh Togbi Pen Kechephem Phupon Amayalong Long Sing Killing Pensi Maiki Phalam Thelapen Aluhi ki Pachania Por Enlo Labang Somai Long KSA Bukulia District Committee BDSR Samson Killing Lapen KSCC Maipu Sarbinong Terontum Chitongdun College along Sonsuria Kisung Kapajok G Lapen Lochar Yatomon Kewan Penan Parta Chabang Oratur Alam Chithanchi Mumpen KSA Bukulia District Committee Hinpen Karbia Puhopen Karchopon Pado Alang Litumapan Kaiki Sita KSA Bukulia District Committee Hinpen Akirap Kachito Dunber Japan Lochar dari Suejang Akisung Penan Parta Khe Kisung Along Kicharjap Thipjia Semi NC Mai Mission Pen Pachun Pon Suri Hinira Krenar Kepa Kresir Kepaning Kana Parman Thongnobe College along Union Budia Tumlake President Longbomon Ingti General Secretary Longkumar Kro Magazine Secretary Sangjuli Rongparpi Games and Sports Secretary CMB Debating and Symposium Secretary Amrit Timo Cultural Secretary Priti Deronpi Boys Command Room Secretary Prafulla Rongpi Lapen Girls Command Room Secretary Serbon Rongpi Piatum Henlo Pusipirta Ripton Law Mahabaya constituency MSC Lun Sing Teron upon EM Arpu Kipek Ponajo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hangapan Alang Lihin Pen Suri Surya Kardom Lapen Kachuro Lamte Kipajira Biota Paikunini Pa Inkore Hini Ani Ajo Por Malom Perang Kipen Biota Nang Pale Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along EM Aman Kilong Dun Lake Josemet Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hang Ahir Jume Lapen Team Karbi Anglong Ahir Jume Pen CEM Aman Long Dun Lobo CEM Lun Sing Teron Pen Ning Che Lasi CEM Rong Hang Pen Cheng Lok Ning Kachithia Bang Pubang Piatun Pan Anta Ninga Clock Pen Pajursi CEM Pen Team Karbi Anglong Songja Posongja Piatum Nang Kijapora Teng Pen Sikidoan Asai Giklegedang Pachun Pon Japan Lapjak Chipi Ikluputa EM Lun Sing Teron Pen Kachuro Lamte Kipajir Pon Padul Assam Meghalaya Hoi Mate West Karbi Anglong District Block 1 Lapen Block 2 Hoi Puthak Nongpo Circuit House along Paikunini Pa Inkore Hiniarni District Kethom West Karbi Anglong West Giant Hills District Ribhoi District Administration Lapen Law and Order Tum Chingrom Pet Pen Ahoy Alam Kachingwai Birta Kadi Sepenangke Jason Inghi Pen Birta Nang Pale Assam Lapen Meghalaya State Chikak Dakapi Block 1 Lapen Block 2 Hoyan Ki Assam Arlo Mate West Karbi Anglong Apan Pipondo Lapen Noranta Dobomlan Bon Sedamir Meghalaya Tumpenon Hedjong Winter Session along Kachiparai Pon Alam Thi Block 1 Lapen Block 2 at Kiputhot Meghalaya Phana Chipipon Nang Popalam Central State Government Lapen Karbi Anglong District upon Alo Kipipon Api District Kethom West Karbi Anglong West Giantia Hills District Lapen Ribhoi District Administration Lapen Law and Order Atum Chingrum Petpen Ahoy Alam Kachingwai Padu Ponlo Bon Sedamir Ahoy Alam Ke State Lapen Central Government Ang Bongsi Chingwai Pon Po Puchiparai Ponlo Bangso Mai Ribhoi District Deputy Commissioner RM Kurba Pen Mai Chiphem Phupon along Manping Pen Kachdong Dun West Karbi Anglong DC Devajoti Hajarika West Karbi Anglong District SP Brinal Talukdar 20 number by Chalaksu MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Rup Singh Teron ARO Dilip Teron Hamren Division TFO Borsing Bay Chinthong Development Block Lapen Amri Development Block BDO Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Secretary In Charge Revenue Michael Timoatuk Chatong Dun Halapu Meghalaya Ribhoi District DC RM Kurba SP Spill Thamar West Giantia Hills District DC Lapen SP Lakodar Siam and Pen Parta Akaprek Ket Higiding Atum Chatong Dun Pinpur Mela Puson Ahoy Alama Puthak Kachingwai Apong Lapen Along Podo Ponlo Bon Sedame Ahok Pet Pen Ahoy Alap Komentu Si Jut Poma Mate Lapuson Sa Por Padam Bom Poma Lake Apor Si Chini Dun Po
Today the district administration from the three districts namely West Giant Hills, Ribhoi District and West Karbi Anglong had an official level meeting here to sort out certain border matters that have been actually causing a lot of problems between all these 3 districts, which also happen to be interstate borders. The matter of the interstate borders essentially is a state subject, but we are happy that today the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council was present here in strength along with their officers, and plus of course Karbi Autonomous Council represented by no lesser person than the Land and Revenue Executive Member in charge, Mr. Rup Singh Jaran. And what this matter of this seemingly intractable border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, we hope that in the words of the legal advisor of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Mr. Irwin Spunga, he said the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. We are positive that today will be the first step, and the journey of 1,000 miles should be shortened, not in length, but in the time frame. And over here, we have agreed upon certain development activities to be taken up by both state governments, or both 3 councils, that is, the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, the Karbi Autonomous Council, and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
With respect of today's meeting between the 3 districts, the main aim is to ensure that developmental work in all the 3 districts are being taken up with prior information to the other district, so to ensure that there's no disruption of work and that people should not get any kind of misinformation, and that the feeling of my district, your district, or anything of that sort should not be there. That we just want that people living along the interstate border should live peacefully and in harmony, and other things like border issues, that will be decided by higher authorities. That's it. Thank you so much.
Border meeting today at Nongpu Circuit House between 3 districts, West Jaintia Hills Joy, Rivhoi District, Nongpo Meghalaya, and West Karbi along Assam. We had a number of issues relating the border. We had discussed everything in a very cordial and friendly atmosphere, and our main aim is to ensure that people living in the border have peaceful coexistence, and there is mutual development on either side of the border for the benefit of the people. Accordingly, we have decided to share the list of the development schemes on either side of the border. We will examine them and get back to our counterpart.
So lama puthaka bangke alang tum assembly long pare pada lakso lam thega lage government India government timsila bang tison enji lage lang tum pare pota 1952 lakso government of India tum lakso bangke plaka teng si lakso teng pen abang sa lang tum bangke government timson enji lang lu pare pota tum noi selang punang itum Karbi long Autonomous Council long patai ke thom bang du ton masalang pare pota la dison ke bang central government tum lang pipida teng lage government ke hai matar ke central government pena laso la central government tum season and po laso teng jalo
Namalam sopor phanbir tamu into poniksana. GR Infra Projects Limited, plot number 80, Brahmaputra Industrial Park, Amingaon, Guwahati 781031. Products: bitumen emulsions, coal mix emulsions, PMB, CRMB, metal crash barrier, thermoplastic paint, and bitumen all grades, etc. MS Micro Engineering, authorized dealer. First floor, Cooperative Building, Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Contact number 9435033710 or 8638223203 or 8628441464. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield, opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Trail, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Aturkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesiri alang hiti kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, Karbi alang, Teso alang, kecu ajam tu, Tarmit aduk, Telua kreng, Chitronola, Uktor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihenamo people thad birtalong wangthulo. Amri MSC constituency ke parlang kang ompanai pen kilometer hini an kailu umswai kacheleng atawar samipia dungalong langchirik pulang misana lang sundo labang so lang sunalong keju kilang sai campaign ka chingthura mo sai keding pon pado sonte keju kilang atum ke bang atum do oji meter pharo ke thom an bag doji kangtui langchirik su pulang sunadi malong keju kilang sai kamate tourist department pen misana war sai salam pon asonte amri la pen chinthong constituency penan parta West Karbi ang long auratum latay long kithitan anong kidwadim lo pasik chirok ta auratum ben chithan rinti lang chirik pu adiwa long kibang thir chengki chiklojon trok siap rang kipang thir sai padopon lo Amri VDC chairman Jonison Teron lapen Amri development blog video Rita Milipia tum sipang thir damlo labang so dimalong MLA Dr. Mansing Rong pilapen MSC di uping maslai tum ta humri damlo Hamren hawar mesena tawar kabiki aningkan ongdung khangjanglo parivartona sarkar nang kilepen kidamtang chiklojon keba prang malompen ongdung kachleng akrong PWD road Hamren division penta cyclem ki pangcheng pon theklong bonsta menot anta ikrong bagta mesen naila patwar ke theklong lepen lang kasalam ki tangtanga joliputa salam dedet hino dedet amat salam ledet ateng pusi katne se pherangke hundor kroben birtanang pale Lake non malom black topping asai ke claim bomb Hamren arong Supiarlo Harlong Jui Divine Spark English Academy Angdenlo Kastalam tanga juanta naini pin lapen bitumin kipikang RP kajok Arlong anta iri pen wung soy soy mi Lancho takali kang R2 ong ajahadim ke Arlong klang et an pin lo Sai ke claim bomb hud PWD Hamren division atum thangnat ki podun ke thandun kabedat ajok contractor tum aning hangaling si ke claim non la so teng polute chiklui jonata chithar thai ji si angring do bonsita me PWD sai khia tumbe thangnat ke pakeng dunjia phan sai kilang don thekdon long lipin lang pinpur dame PWD baithalang so division la pen umpanai division arlo hai hoi to war kasalam RJ lang mi muchata son bonta pina ana ningkan pen dolo PWD Hamren division pen ikrong bakta mesana to war kasalam theklong le Berta bang kelapan skang ton paniklo dumi thak me kurang thu